My dear devotees of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag, there in Auckland, New Zealand, congratulations and greetings from Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag. I'd like to share this with you that you are a blessing experts. Everyone is a blessing expert because everyone is created by God in His own likeness and image. So, be able to realize this, that you are a blessing. You are a blessing there in Auckland, New Zealand. Wherever you may be, consider yourself as a blessing. Because you are a blessing expert. And how can we be a blessing experts all the more? First, be a blessing in every word you say. So instead of harmful, hurtful, or hurting words, say good words. Say helpful words. Say inspiring words to everyone. Make the person happy by your words, not sad. In that way, you become a blessing expert. Number 2, you can be also a blessing inside. That what they say in you, what you see in them, you are always a blessing. So in other words, see always the good things of every person. Let us always see the goodness, not the ugliness. Let us always see the beauty of every person. Then you are a blessing. Because if you see the bad, the ugly, not the beautiful, then you cannot be a blessing. So, be a blessing inside. And number 3, be a blessing in your behavior. Behave that your behavior becomes a blessing to each other. Be a blessing in your presence. That wherever you may be, wherever you are, you always cast blessings on other people. And lastly, always be a blessing in life. Remember that every person is a blessing of God. Yes, you are a blessing. You are a blessing by continuing your devotion to the Blessed Mother and by having this prayer, by having this novena. So to all of you, devotees of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag in Auckland, New Zealand, congratulations. Continue. Be a blessing everywhere you may be. Thank you. And this is your friend, Father Butch Bombase, OP, the parish priest of Our Lady of the Rosary of Manaoag.